So today I'm going to do another Cherryz unboxing, and I've got 2 boxes this time, so yeah, let's go. Let's get into this. This one's a bit heavy, the other one's not as bad, so yeah. So, right. That is, what? I don't remember getting cracker bread, but okay. That's weird. I don't remember ordering that, but I'll have to have a look. Strange. I got some more of this steam cleaner because it was good. I got more toffees. I got this peanut bar thing, Mr. Tom. I got some jazzles. I got 2 orange bars, one for me and one for my child. I got some crunchies, though I've just realised or remembered that he doesn't like them. Oops. But, so they'll be mine instead of sharing. I have a feeling I've got 2 of these bars, but I'm not totally sure. But I'll have a look. I got some reusable glass straws with a straw cleaner. So, yeah. I got some Vimto squash. I got some J2O orange and passion fruit because we both like those. And that's cans. I've got some cracker bread, but I really don't remember ordering that, but okay, I will have a look. I've got some Iron Brew, like bottles, because I like Iron Brew. I got Pringles, sour cream and onion. I also got Texas barbecue sauce Pringles. I got these Diablo sweets just because they're strawberry and cream, that's why I got them. Not for any other reason. So I've got some more J2O orange and passion fruit. Oops. And I got apple and raspberry as well. I also got some pistachio nuts, roasted and salted. I got some Fairy Non-Bio pods. I also got some fabric conditioner. I'll not need anything like that for a while. I actually didn't realise I got 3 of these surf, but I won't need anything like that for a while then. I think this is, yeah, this is just detergent, like, so it's instead of the pods, I think. It doesn't say that it's fabric conditioner, so yeah. Yeah, this is just, yeah. So this is instead of the fairy pods. But yeah. So this is coconut splash, and I've got 3 of those. I didn't actually realise that I'd ordered 3, but it must have been quite cheap. So I'll not need those for a while, like anything like that for a while. Oops. And then I've got some more pistachios. That's for him. And then I've got some Aero snow bubbles. And then I've got, oh, more of this fabric conditioner. So I'll not need that for a bit either. That's lavender and ylang ylang. I think the other one's the same. Just check. Yeah, lavender and ylang ylang. And then I've got the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. So yeah. I'll try that and stuff. And oh gosh. Then I've got a stain remover bar for clothes. And I've got bleach. Some Domestos bleach, which is also safe for toilets. But I'll leave that there because I think I've got plenty of bleach. Right, next box in a minute. And this is the second box. And I've got moist toilet tissue wipes. I think these ones might be the free ones. I think I ordered ones as well as the free ones because I had free ones, like a reward thing. So there might be 2 of those, but I'm not sure. I have a feeling there is 2 of them though. Then I've got Juicy Drops Blasts. Yeah. To share. I've got Big Hoops barbecue beef. They're hula hoop basically. I also have 2 of these squashies. Drumstick squashies. So one packet is his and one of them's mine. And then I've got some bubblegum bottles. Haribo. That's to share. These are to share. Twirls. Then we've got some marshmallows to share. I kind of wish they were the mini ones, but oh well. So I could use them in like hot chocolate and stuff, but oh well. Then I've got some crisps. I've got some happy snacks. Hopefully they're nice. I haven't actually had them before. Then I've got some skips, and I've also got baked crinkly I don't know, snacks or whatever. I've also got some of these Palm sticks, sour cream flavour. I have also got party rings and two packets of jammy tea cakes, wagon wheels. Then I've got some Biscoff Lotus biscuits. They're Biscoff cream, so it's got like the Biscoff cream in the middle of the Biscoff biscuits. Really lovely. Then I've got 2 tins of custard. See, another tin here, you see, so that's why I said 2 tins. Then I've got some sour cream. I don't know, Polynesian Paradise? Yeah. So this one's really, I think, I have a feeling this is for dice. But I can't remember, but we can both use it, it's fine. And then I've got some bathroom surface wipes. I mean, the other surface wipes should be okay in the bathroom too, but I'm not totally sure, so I got these ones. And I've got some more sponges, which wasn't obviously in the other thing, but I've got I had quite a few sponges, but now I don't think I do. I don't know how many's in this. I think there's about 15, but I'm not totally sure, I could be wrong. No, I don't know. Oh no, it says pack of 20, never mind. And I said 15. It was -5. Anyway, right. Then I've got some more of these, which I thought I had. So one packet was basically a free reward thing, and then I bought one. Then I've got a mouthwash, which I don't normally get spearmint, but that should be fine. Mouthwash is mouthwash at the end of the day. And then I've got a pizza cutter because I don't have a proper pizza cutter. I never have, but my mum has one, so I just thought I might as well try it and hopefully it's alright. So just put that there. And then I've got 2 a pack of 2 microwave plate covers, just because I don't want the microwave getting as bad as it did the last time, so I'm going to start covering up the plates. Then I've got a tea towel, not a tea towel, what am I talking about, just a normal towel. It's like a hand towel. That's what I'm going to use it for, like a hand towel, you know, in the bathroom or in the kitchen, you know, one of them. But yeah, it's really nice, pink, light pink one, or pale pink, whatever. So that's nice. Just put that on top of there. And then I didn't realise I got cotton clouds as well, but a white cashmere shower cream as well. I have a feeling that one of them might be for me and one of them might be for him, but I'm not sure. Probably both, just share. We'll see. I've got quite a few things like that, so maybe not. Maybe it's just for him. I'm not sure, but I can't remember. But anyway, and then I've got like a eyeshadow brush because you never have enough, and it's got like a duo thing, so it's like, yeah, and it's really pretty because it's got like glitter in it. So yeah, Should have probably got 2 of those, give 1 to him, but because he likes putting, well, maybe not eyeshadow, I suppose, never mind. But he likes makeup a little tiny bit. But it's more like, I don't know, emo stuff, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, right. Then I've got like 2 organizer things for the fridge. Little trays. I need to kind of get them separated, but at the minute I can't. But I need to clear out the freezer still. Like clean it and things. So I'm obviously not going to do that today because it's New Year's Eve, but I'm going to do it before obviously moving and stuff. So then I've got a to-do list, which will hopefully help me write everything down and then tick it off and stuff. Should be good. I think you put it, yeah, you put it on the fridge. So. And then I've got copier paper, which is for printers. So I don't know why, really. I think I needed new printer paper, so that's why I got this, I think. And then that's it.